Hi and welcome. This is the first time I'm doing a video, and I'm very nervous about it, but I think I'll pull it through. Today I'm trying to do a kiss pour. I've done one or twice before. I'm not very sure about this. I've just been pouring for about 2.5 weeks, and I've never really poured on a canvas before. I've done some test pouring or practice pours on corrugated paper, which haven't been really that good. So this time I tried to do it on a canvas. I use Liquitex Basics, and the colors I've used is this. It's bright aqua green. I have titanium white. I've used gold, black, and to get this color, which is turquoise, greenish turquoise maybe, I've actually used this bright aqua green with ultramarine, just a little dot of ultramarine blue. My pouring medium is glue and water. We don't have, well, we have float roll in Sweden, but it's quite expensive, and I'm still learning, so I'm doing everything on a budget. So I've used this PVA-glue, and it's washable, which isn't very good if you use silicone, if I got it right. But I'm just, for my tryouts now, I'm going to use that. Don't really know if I got the consistency right. I think so, I hope so, but I'm not really sure. It might be too thick. I've used, the gold is a little bit thicker than the other, because when I did my practice pour, it just vanished. It just disappeared. I can't see one fleck of gold, so I made that a little thicker than the other. And the black I made a bit thinner, but the three other colors, they are the same consistency as I can see it. This is a 27 by 22 centimeter canvas, and I've calculated on Smart Art Material, her website, and in the calculator it said I needed about 120 milliliters of paint, and this cup is about 120. And since I'm doing a kiss pour, I already mixed my black, so that's finished. It has some bubbles in it, which annoys me, but can't do much about that right now. Yeah, so let's try this. Let's do a pour. I'm going to start with this turquoise, and I only need about half a cup. And then I'm going to pour in some gold. And some bright aqua green. And then I'll go for the white. Not too much. And I'll take the turquoise again. And some more gold. Maybe I have this cup too far up for the camera. Well, I'm sorry about that. Can't really see what I'm doing. And then I'll have some more white. And some turquoise. Gold in between, and I think I'll end it with bright green. It's still too high up. Okay, so it's quite nice layered, I hope, I think. And now I'm trying to do the kiss ball. I hope you can see something, because I can't see anything. I just see two cups and paint coming out of them. And the gold is gone. Again, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Obviously I'm doing something wrong, I just don't really know. Don't get what it is. Am I using too little? Is it too thick? Is it too thin? Well, there's something wrong. So, getting those out of the way. I think I might do this actually. Just cover the corners a bit. I should have enough paint. That shouldn't be a big problem. And then I'll take this one and doing the same on this side. Shouldn't be a just pouring it over the sides. Yeah, it looks good. It actually do, but the gold is gone. It's all gone. There's nothing left. There is quite a lot of air bubbles, so I will torch them. And this glue actually makes cells. I don't have any silicone in this at all, so it's the glue that makes the cells. Yeah, well, I think I'll start. I think I'll go in a circle first. Not too big. I'm not very good at patience. It's one of the things I'm actually training on to get better at, because I'm absolutely no good at it. And this actually requires patience, and that's good for me. I need patience, and I need to get a little de-stressed, and I think that by doing this painting and in arts, I actually do get a little less stressed, which I really need. I'm not sure that you can see what I'm doing, and I'm not really sure that I talk loud enough, but yeah, I'm sorry about that. Okay, went over that. Let's flip it back to the middle, to the center. Learn that. I just love these colors. I don't know if the pour will be any good, but I actually love these colors. I think they are amazing. I really think they are so amazing. So it's over. Not really. Yeah, I'm gonna help a little bit there. Back to center. I need to get that on this corner off. I think I'll go for the corner. Yeah, this corner that's facing me. And I probably have to learn how to turn the canvas so you guys can see what I'm doing. Of course, right now you can't, because I have the canvas facing me. which wasn't very smart at all actually, but yeah, it's that's how it is. So now you can see what I'm doing. I do love these colors. I really do love these colors. And I love all of the negative space. I think it's amazing. And I'm not sure if I'm going to love the pour yet, but it has potentials. Yeah. I'm not going to censor the eye, or whatever you can call it. I think I'm going to keep it a bit off center actually. Yeah. So, well, actually I do have some gold there. Look at that. That was nice. Really nice. I'm happy about that. My fingers are all messed up, and you're not supposed to have that above the canvas. So I'm just going to wipe up my hands, and I'm going to try to fix the sides and the corners. Well, I can actually do that without you looking. I should probably do this without you looking. Yeah, I'll do that later. I'll take you down and go in for a close-up. I was thinking about if I should torch it again. What do you think? There is quite a lot of air bubbles in it. Yeah, I think I'll do that, just to see if I can pop some of the air bubbles. I'm not sure that I can, but I'll try. Okay, I think I ran out of gas. Yeah, I ran out of gas. That's fun. Okay. So let's see. In for a close-up. Oh, that's my lamp. Maybe I should have turned that off. But yeah, it's my kitchen lamp. And there you can actually see some gold. I like that. That was very nice. It was neat. Really neat. I love the shimmer. And those cells, and there's some more gold. And those cells, that's actually the glue. I'm so surprised. I do get these black spots sometimes, and actually would get some lighter spots, some brighter spots in the black. Don't know what that is. Got them since I started using this glue, so I don't really know what to do about it. But yeah, I am really satisfied with this outcome. I love it. I'm going to turn off the lights, see if it gets a better image of the canvas. Yeah, I hope you like it. I love it. I think it's absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with this. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.